Hello dear friends, hello my dear students. I'm Simple Batra here today. So, yesterday was a teacher's day, right? And I've got immense love of my students in the form of WhatsApp messages and even through the calls. I was feeling so excited and happy that I felt like sharing it with you. Actually, what happens when you leave teaching physically in the college and you come onto the online platforms, it becomes difficult to be in touch with your students on the regular basis, because जब आप offline classes में होते हैं तो daily basis पे you have a one-to-one connection with the students. I was into the teaching for so many years and इतने सारे बच्चे ऐसे थे who were there in contact with me and personally मेरा उनके साथ बहुत ही अच्छा bond रहा है. So I was so much of overwhelmed with the messages they have sent to me through the WhatsApp, and I was feeling like I must share it with each and everyone and thank all those my students through this medium of a video. When I started with a YouTube channel, it was really a big support of all my students, my friends, my family. So आज मैं बहुत सारे ऐसे बच्चे हैं जिनका थैंक यू करना चाहती हूँ बाय हार्ट. आई शुड नेम देम एक्चुअली हेयर एंड विल शो यू द मैसेजेस ऑफ देम श्योरली नाउ. एंड यश मिश्रा, वत्सल, अनुष्का, भावना, आकाशदीप, श्रुति, विद्या, कनिका, श्रेया कंसाल, निधिन, लक्ष्य, भुवनेश, गीतिका, अमानत, ट्विंकल, ऋषि, चालसी, उत्कर्ष, शिवम, तमन्ना, आयुष, महिमा, गौतम, पुनीत, पुष्पांजलि, प्रियांशी, सोनम, पल्लवी, लक्ष्य. बहुत सारे ऐसे मैसेजेस हैं, अभी और बहुत सारे नाम हैं जिनके मेरे पास व्हाट्सएप के थ्रू मैसेजेस आए हैं एंड मैनी ऑफ देम आई विल बी शेयरिंग टुडे विद यू. दे आर सच ब्यूटिफुल मैसेजेस full of love and respect. This is the real earning of my life, the immense love of my students which I have got through these messages, and thank you to each one of them by heart. All these students make all these teachers, including me, special, who are existing in the world of education today. I respect each one of my students by heart, and really it's a one-to-one connection with your students which is known as teaching. Teaching is a beautiful bond between a teacher and a student, which I have realized within the last few years of teaching. Thank you to each of student of mine. Let's give a quick look to their messages. The first message is from Amanat. Thank you so much, Amanat. God bless you. Anushka, she has written such a long message about being philosopher, supporter, mentor and so many things. No, I'm not such a big person. I'm just a common human being. It's all because of your love and respect that you feel so. Thank you so much, Anushka. Keep growing. You are a very brilliant and talented child. Keep on working hard. You will surely reach to a big position in the life. Ayush. Thank you, Ayush. Thank you so much for wishing me. God bless you, and you will be definitely able to achieve your goal, which only I know. So surely you will be able to achieve your goal. I'll be very happy for you. Thank you so much. Bhavna. Thank you, Bhavna, for remembering me, for loving and respecting me so much. Stay blessed. Bhuvnesh. Very sweet child. In actual, you are very knowledgeable and very kind-hearted person, Bhuvnesh. Thank you so much for so much of respect you have showered upon me. Gautam, one of again very brilliant child. Thank you so much, Gautam, for wishing me. Kanika, a very sweet child. Thank you so much, Kanika. Keep growing. Stay blessed. Lakshay, naughty one. Thank you so much. You are a very lovely child. Stay blessed, stay happy, and I'm always there for each one of you. And actually, each and every child is different from the other one. Thank you so much, Mahima, for remembering me. And you are such a simple and sweet girl. And I know we both share our birthday on the same day. Keep growing, and I will always try to wish you on your birthday also. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Nitin, for remembering me even today after so many years. God bless you, and you are a wonderful student. Thank you so much, Yash. I know you are a very quiet, but you actually respect each and every one. Even if you are quiet, then also I know you. Thank you so much. Keep working hard. You will definitely grow. Thank you, Yashika. You are amazing. Be as you are always. You will surely rock. Thank you so much. Never forget me and be with me always as you are. Hello Priyanshi, thank you for such a wonderful message, beta. I'm not a best teacher, you are a best student. You are such a cute child. God bless you. Puneet, Jai Shri Ram ji, such a devotional child. आज की डेट में बहुत ही प्यारा बच्चा. गॉड ब्लेस यू, कीप ग्रोइंग, हमेशा खुश रहो. थैंक्स अ लॉट पुष्पांजलि बेटा for such a wonderful message. May God bless you with lots of wisdom and knowledge. Thank you. Keep growing. Rohit, SRS Media. You can find him on YouTube also, and he is the student whom I used to teach in 2014. Thank you, Rohit, for remembering me. Keep growing, keep shining, beta. God bless you. Thank you for remembering me. Shreya Kansal, one of the sweet, cute child. इतना प्यारा मैसेज आपने लिखा. Inspiring teacher, academic brilliance, excellence, so many domains of life. मैम को इतना सारा respect you are giving. God bless you. May you get everything you want in your life. Each one of my student. Dear Shruti, thank you, beta. Thank you so much. You have written such a wonderful message. You are the best teacher I have ever met. You are an inspiration for me. So many things. Bacche, you can never let me down. I know you have lots of potential, lots of talent hidden inside you. Keep on working hard. Keep growing, keep shining, keep rising. Each one of you. Thank you so much, Shruti. Thanks a lot, beta. God bless you. Hi, Sonam. You are actually very sweet child. You are the cute child. And I miss you too. God bless you. Thank you so much, Tamanna beta, for wishing me. God bless you. Keep on working as you are these days. God bless you. Thank you, Twinkle. Thank you so much, Bache. You are a very sincere student. Keep on working. God bless you with lots of success in the life. Thank you, Vatsal. I never motivate or support any of the student. All of you have your own potentials with which you work actually. God bless you, Vatsal. And you are working these days. You are into the job. All the best. Thank you, dear Vidya, for remembering me, Bache. You are also very sincere child. You have lots of potential. Stay blessed. Students, I have shown many of the messages today, and there are many other students, Deepak, Pallavi, and so many others who have sent, but it's not possible to show each and every message over here. Today on Teachers' Day, I would like to thank all my teachers who have taught me till now, and specifically dear Sukanti Mishra ma'am, who was my English teacher in class 9th and 10th, and who has impacted me a lot, and she has motivated me, inspired me, and at each and every step she used to appreciate me while I was a school student even, and it's my fortune to have her today in my life. She blesses me. I know her blessings work a lot. Keep blessing me, ma'am. You are an amazing person. Words are less to describe you. So dear all students, thank you so much. Thank you, Sukanti ma'am, and all my teachers who have taught me till today, and I'll be soon back with much more. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care and keep loving and blessing me.
Bye bye.